Hello, this is Jen, and I'm creating a quick video to give you a better idea of how to create a presentation, an online presentation, either individually or as a group, using Google Slides and Zoom. And so the focus of this type of presentation will be through screen capture, meaning that all I'm recording is what's on my screen as well as audio on top of that. So I won't have any video of myself. It'll just be Google Slides and whatever I want to record in order to narrate. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and open up a template or example of a Google Slide presentation. So obviously you and or your group members would put this together ahead of time. So you'd have this complete presentation here. Again, this is just an example or a template that's in Google Slides. And so once this was complete, you can select File and scroll down to Publish to Web. And then once that's published, you'll get a link and you can open that up in another tab and have that open and ready to go. So next thing, we'll go ahead and open up Zoom. So this is what Zoom would look like once you open it. And I'm going to select New Meeting. And I'm going to join with computer audio, but you can join by phone. So for anyone that wants to use their phone instead, you'd call a number, put in a meeting number, and then whatever user number they assigned you, you'd put that in as well. It gives you step-by-step instructions if you want to go that route. So I would be in the role of whoever's sort of leading this meeting or leading this presentation. I'm going to go ahead and, actually I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to invite others first. So you can search for people here. Alternatively, you can select Copy Invitation and open up an email and go ahead and send that to whoever your group members are. So this link here would be sent to your group members. They would select that link and automatically join in on that meeting. Oops, there we go. Okay, so once everyone that's supposed to attend has joined the meeting, you can go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to want to select is Share Screen, and there's a few different examples here, but we're going to just select Share Screen, which will share anything on that meeting leader's desktop or laptop screen with everyone else. So at this point, anyone that was attending would be able to see whatever's on my screen. So obviously what I want to open up is the Google Slide presentation. And then you might, chat a little bit with your group members, make sure everybody knows when they're going to speak and what they're going to say. And then once everybody is ready to go, you can go ahead up to More and you can record the presentation. You can record the presentation to your computer. It'll just save an MP4 file on your computer, or you can record it to the cloud. And if you take that route, Zoom will eventually email you a link that you can be shared with anyone that wants to view the presentation. So for today, I'm just going to record it to my computer. And it's recording. So whoever would be speaking for this first slide, they would go ahead and get going and say, hello, this is blah, 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 blah. The presenters include blah, 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 blah. And you'd go through the presentation. So anybody that spoke would be recorded and you'd get multiple presenters speaking while going through these slides. Once you got to the last slide, you could go up to More and select Stop Recording. And the recording or presentation would be complete. So at that point, you could end the meeting for all. And then you'd see this message here that indicates that Zoom is converting the meeting recording into a file that will be saved onto your laptop. So this last file here, Zoom_0, would be the file. And you double click that. And then it would go through the presentation. And this is what you'd be able to email either as a file or if it's longer, bigger, through Google Drive to me or to the class or post to Google Classroom, so on and so forth. So hopefully that helps. Obviously, if you have any questions or want any help with this, I'm always happy to help. But good luck, and I look forward to seeing everyone's presentations.